Towering flames devoured Los Angeles, leaving behind charred remains of celebrity mansions and entire neighborhoods. 130,000 fled, while 96,500 acres burned in nature's deadly blaze. Smoke thickened skies as billion-dollar homes crumbled to ash. Celebrities like Paris Hilton and Jeff Bridges lost everything. Hope dwindled with every rising ember. Infrastructure failed, power lines snapped, roads melted, and natural gas was shut off. The cost? A staggering $150 billion, marking history's costliest wildfire. Rebuilding starts now. Follow Texas Cash Buyers Network for updates on real estate trends and recovery efforts as we rebuild smarter and stronger from devastation.